It's nice to have a separate laundry room that's not a walk-through room. Tile is about $5 a square foot to install, $2 a square foot to pick up existing tile. Sometimes you can lay vinyl planks on top of existing tiles, so that's $2 less per square foot. Not all the time though. The installer would have to come and take a look. Painting is about $1.50 a square foot. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one in the laundry room, that would be 9, plus the 4 in there is 13. And it's not including the picture windows up top because normally you don't put blinds up there. It's really nice to already have the tile in place outside with the patio overhang for shade. So there's no screens on these windows because they're mostly protected from the sun, although there are screens up there. These windows do have screens because they get a lot of the afternoon and the evening sun. Right now it's 1:30 and of course it's winter. And there's 2 lights installed there. Cabinets are in really good shape.
Why did you show me this?
And of course, one more blind in this room, and that's actually 2 if you get a set of horizontals here and here, because I can see into that room. I can see that window to the neighbor's house, so both windows need window coverings for privacy. This would be probably an office. It could be a theater or a movie room. There's an extra $1.50 to install tile on the second floor, so that would be about $6.50 a square foot. There's no handle. Oh, the whole door is a handle. Okay. So you could recaulk this, change that piece out at the bottom, or you could just get a whole new shower surround. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Change the exhaust fan, it's really loud. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 if you count the windows up top. And that's a broken window. So it'd be 11 blinds in this room alone. Removing satellite cables and these speakers is nothing. It's really easy to do, and they're going to do it for the repaint anyway, so don't worry about that. This is going to get some morning sun, but it's about $100 or so to get a paper arch fan to cover that. These are the correct blinds in here, which is interesting because I didn't see the correct blinds on any of the other ones, so you might want to replace it just so it matches the rest of the property and it looks new. Need some closet door guides here. Probably replace all this tile so it's consistent throughout the property. I don't think we need to make sure there's no damage or to know what happened here. It looks like there might have been a leak in the window or something. It looks like there might be some water damage. There might not be, and it may have been fixed if there was. We just need to find out. And a blind here. There's closet door guides here. Although if you're going to be changing out the carpet, then you need to change these out as well. So, remove cables. And that's that.